It was the real incidents of my life. Heavy rain poured from the dark sky, washing over a lonely highway that cut through an endless forest. There were no houses, no streetlights, only darkness and the sound of rain. Thunder echoed through the trees. Then someone appeared. A young woman stood alone in the middle of the highway. She wore a beautiful long red dress that danced in the wind. Rain soaked her hair, but she didn't move. She simply waited.
Please, someone stop.
What? Is someone standing out here? This can't be real. Miss, are you all right?
My car broke down. There isn't any phone signal. Could you please help me?
Of course. Get in.
Thank you.
You shouldn't be out here alone.
Sometimes life leaves us no choice.
Where are you headed?
The next town.
Are you from the next town?
I used to be.
You used to be?
People change, places change, but memories, they stay forever.
You speak like you've lived a very long life.
Maybe I have.
I glanced at the woman, but she stared quietly out the window at the dark forest. For a moment, it felt as though she already knew every tree along the road. You've been very quiet.
I enjoy the silence.
The rain grew heavier. The windshield wipers moved back and forth, but the road ahead remained blurred. You seem strangely calm.
I've been waiting for someone kind.
But something about her answer made me uneasy. The temperature inside the car suddenly dropped. A cold breeze brushed past me. Did you see that?
See what?
There were people in the forest.
They aren't people.
What do you mean?
They're only memories.
After nearly 20 minutes, warm lights appeared in the distance. A small roadside cafe stood alone beside the highway. Its windows glowed against the darkness.
Stop the car. This is where I'll leave.
Are you sure I can drive you farther?
No, my journey ends here.
All right.
Thank you for reminding me that kindness still exists.
My hands began to shake because I had never seen the woman leave the car. Did you see the young woman who was with me?
Young woman, wearing a red dress?
Yes.
Son, that can't be.
What do you mean?
She died on this highway 25 years ago. On a rainy night, she was waiting for help, but no one stopped.
That's why every stormy night, she appears and asks for help. She doesn't harm those who stop their cars, but those who don't stop meet with a terrible accident. You're a lucky man. You showed her kindness by stopping your car to help her. That's the reason you're safe tonight. I never forgot that night. She is not a ghost. Perhaps She is a reminder that one act of kindness can echo forever. What would you do if you were stuck in the same situation?